In this Snapchat video tutorial today I will show you how to report a friend on Snapchat. So without spending more time, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to open the Snapchat app that you have installed. So if you want to report a friend on Snapchat, so there are so many ways why you want to report someone. So if someone wants to send you a lot of messages, spamming messages, so you can simply report the person and Snapchat will take it down. So I will show you how to do this. So anyway guys, for that you just need to tap on the Snapchat profile icon, and then you just need to tap on my friends. So on my friend, you can see there's a lot of my Snapchat friends. So if someone sent you a spamming messages, so you can simply report the person. So this is the person, which one is baby Kelly. So he has sent me a lot of messages in earlier time, so I want to show you how to report this one. So for report, you just need to tap on the Snapchat emoji icon, and now you can see the profile of my friend. So tap on the three lines, and now you will find the report option here. So on the top you can see the report, so tap on this one, and here Snapchat display you a lot of options to why you want to report the friends. So there's a lot of reasons. So I want to select the account spam, and he added me on Snapchat, so I want to select this reason, and now tap on submit. So tap on block friend. So if you want to block the friend, so he cannot easily send you messages or any kind of activities. But if you leave the this one, so he can easily once again contact you. But I want to tap on block friend, and now you can see I have successfully reported and blocked the friends on a Snapchat. So this is pretty simple and easiest way to report a friend on Snapchat. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you get the more videos regarding a Snapchat, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.